everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Sean from SeanKBeauty, and welcome to SeanK's Beauty Bar, where we grab from the bar and discuss all things beauty. So you leave your questions down below, and I bring my microbiology and biochemistry background to your questions and feature them here every Tuesday and Thursday. I'm super excited to do this video because this is one that has been the OG skincare for me from the very beginning of starting YouTube, and that is Estee Lauder. So I can really speak to the results of these products and really give you some in depth on, my experiences with Estee Lauder. This is the brand that many women would use and then go and experiment with other products, and they come right back to Estee Lauder. That's what Estee Lauder is. It is like when you realize that you've gotten really great results from Estee Lauder, you tend to come right back. The first product that I want to talk about, and I've done a dedicated video on this and also did the truth behind Estee Lauder, I'll leave the links to those below, is the Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is the #1 serum in the US, my friends, and there is so many women raving about this particular serum. You've got hyaluronic acid in here. That's a really great humectant. This works so amazing at nighttime. You're going to have that 72-hour hydration. This is oil-free. It is going to minimize the dullness that you're experiencing, the dryness. It gives you a youthful look. It actually retexturizes the skin. This is definitely one that is going to help to minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and you will see the difference. And that's what makes this #1, because the Chronolux synchronized technology that they have in here, it used to be called the Chronolux CB technology, but they revise their formulations every now and then, so the name takes on a different twist. And this still is #1. So I highly suggest this if you're looking for a really great serum. And a lot of the times with Estee Lauder, if you order online, I guess they give you a freebie, a deluxe size freebie with every $25 that you spend, and then they send you out some really great gifts on your birthday. I really love that about Estee Lauder, and when you call their customer service, they're very knowledgeable about the products. The next product that I really want to talk about is the Revitalizing Supreme moisturizer. This is an anti-aging moisturizer. This is there for those that have extremely dry skin. You're looking to get rid of the dullness, to minimize the fine lines and wrinkles, to have that supple skin. This has hyaluronic acid. It also has your cactus stem cell extract. And if you know anything about a cactus, you know that a cactus can survive extreme dry climates. I kid you not, using this with the Advanced Night Repair, oh my goodness. So the next product that I want to talk about is the Perfectly Clean Cleanser. Now, I can talk about the Super Pomegranate line, but this cleanser is just as good, okay? This one is enriched with antioxidants. This can act as a mask if you want to just use it as a 3-minute mask, or you can use it as a purifying cleanser morning and night and just cleanse your face with the foaming action. It really does breaks down your makeup and everything without stripping the skin. This actually goes in as well and unclogs pores. Perfectly Clean is a bestseller. It is also one that many women use. A lot of women use it as a mask. I tend to use it just as a foaming cleanser, and I will tell you, even the smallest amount goes a very long way. You don't need to use a lot of this. And I kid you not, friends, you are going to see a difference with your skin. I take a minute to cleanse my skin with this. In fact, just talking about this just makes me want to just reach out to Estee Lauder, or me just go in and just say thank you. Thank you for loving on me with these great skin-loving ingredients that you put in your products. They do a fantastic job. All right, the next product is the Micro Essence. You all, this has bifidolysate in it. It also has lactobacillus ferment in it. A lot of ferments are in here actually for strengthening the skin's barrier. It also has sodium hyaluronate, which we know is a derivative of hyaluronic acid, to really keep the skin hydrated. This is for all skin types. In fact, all of these that I've just mentioned is for all skin types. Revitalizing Supreme can be a little bit, for those who are oily, I would use it at nighttime. I wouldn't use it during the day, but I absolutely say when you see products for all skin types, it means that they are pH balanced. And so Estee Lauder is more focused on getting your skin balanced and normal than they are with just targeting, oh, you're a dry skin type, you're a oily skin type, you're a combination skin type, because we can come out of these skin types once we start balancing the pH on our faces that the microbiomes really care about so that we can have normal skin. Does that make sense? So there's certain things that we need to do in an effort for us to have normal skin. So if you're looking at the Micro Essence, I say hands down, this is another one that's a bestseller and it sells out. Sometimes when you go on Estee Lauder's website, this is already sold out. Like, they have to notify you a lot of the times when this is back in stock. That's how great this is. You're gonna cleanse your face in the morning and in the nighttime and use a cotton ball or cotton pad and just dab it on there, let it set for a little bit, and then go into your moisturizer. I'm super excited, you guys, about Estee Lauder, just because I've seen nothing but great results with my skin when I started using this. So there you go. That's the Micro Essence. All right, I could not leave this product out, and that is the Super Pomegranate Moisturizer. This has 2 times the pomegranate concentrate, and if you are looking for, you know, vitality and radiance, and you're looking for that youthful appearance and longevity with hydration, this is the moisturizer of all moisturizers. This has tocopherol acetate, which is a form of vitamin E. That's going to be a great antioxidant. And I talked about antioxidants in depth before because we hear this a lot, right? But free radicals can be beneficial if they are low in an electron, and that's what your antioxidants are doing. It's balancing that outer shell. But I won't get into the chemistry of it. What I want you all to know is when we get our hands on products that the science is there, the advanced technology is there, the results are there, you have really tapped into some amazing skincare, you know. And if I really have to, you know, talk about 25 amazing products from Estee Lauder, I can, but I don't have enough time and probably you guys will be gone. So I've given you my top 5, but the list goes on and on and on, believe me with that. And that is also on the makeup side of things. But hopefully you guys can glean a really great backbone of skincare for a routine with what I've just given you. You know, the Perfectly Clean, the Revitalizing Supreme. So you've got a cleanser, you've got a moisturizer, you've got a toner in here that I've just given you. And you know, if you really want to go after the eye cream, there is the Advanced Night Eye. That is really great as well if you want something for the eye. And that is also a bestseller from Estee Lauder. I will leave all of these wonderful products down below. You guys, it was a pleasure doing this video. You know, I'm grinning from ear to ear because again, this just took me back into those days when I first started off with YouTube and and just showcasing Estee Lauder on my channel and doing dedicated videos to their products, and just, you know, the compliments that I always get on my skin, I still do. This definitely is a brand that if you are curious about any of their products, you know, ask me questions down below. I definitely can help you with that. I've used pretty much all of Estee Lauder skincare except anything with retinol. I cannot speak to that because you all know that I'm not a huge proponent of retinol at all. So, but anything else I could definitely speak to when it comes to Estee Lauder. But I hope you all found this video to be helpful. And it's a pleasure being here today and spending time with you all. And I will see you all in my next one. Ciao for now.